Hello, my name is Russell Myers. Welcome to And Unity for All. Looks like this is going to be the third video that I post today because I didn't post one yesterday. I had recorded it the night before and never posted it yesterday. So anyway, there will be another one after this that is still encoding right now. So, the fall of the dollar continues. The crash is here. Right now, on the international market, the dollar is now worth less than 90 cents. So, Steve Mnuchin says that this is a good thing. There's no good about this. The only people that will find this good are the people that either foreign investors that want to purchase American property or American companies. It means that they're paying less for it. For domestic companies, they're still paying the same thing. No, there's no good to this. What this means is that the value of the dollar in relation to other currencies is lower. And what does that mean? It means inflation. So I mentioned that the dollar was down to less than 93 cents, a couple of weeks ago, and that China had expressed low confidence in the dollar, and this was predictable that it would fall further. People are selling off U.S. government securities, and the value of gold is rising. It's gone up by $80 in the last 2 weeks. So cryptocurrency, yeah, that's down right now, but I expect it to come back up. And so part of that is that people are only looking at the big ones, Bitcoin and Ethereum, but overall there are hundreds of cryptocurrencies, and people are pulling money out of one to put into another. So overall it looks like a suppression or a fall, but it's not, because more money is going into cryptocurrency, but not as much into the big ones anymore because they're too expensive to buy a whole one. Some people don't think that the big ones are going to rise that much anymore, but I expect that they will. So, yeah, but I'm not an authority on that. So, don't listen to me. The dollar is going to fall further. It's fallen 3 cents, which means 3% in the last 2 weeks. Fewer domestic investors, fewer foreign investors are putting money into the dollar. The decrease in the value means that when we buy goods or services or securities or anything from other countries, it means that we have to pay more, because when you buy from one of these other countries, it gets converted into their currency to be able to make that purchase. Well, the lower the value of the dollar, that means you have to add more dollars to make up the difference. So we're going to see a rise in prices related to this. But this is only the beginning. It's going to get a lot worse. But we're still spending money on bombs. And Mattis is talking about using military force to keep our freedoms. Of course, they've always got to throw that one in there. This ain't got nothing to do with your freedom. You know, I already said the draft is coming, so feel free when they tell you to put on that uniform, or your children, or your grandchildren, because it's for freedom. Yeah. Freedom to artificially prop up the dollar with guns and bombs. That's not freedom. So, the crash is here. I do advise people to invest in precious metals, gold, silver, whatever. And if you're willing to take the chance, which I don't find to be that much of a chance right now, invest in cryptocurrencies. So, there are different ways that you can earn cryptocurrency for free. And so, look into those. If it doesn't cost you anything, you put out a little bit of effort and in some way, spend some time, it might be worth something at some point. Some of them will crash and burn, other ones will skyrocket. So anyway, please hit like and subscribe. Please share this video. If you can, become a patron on Patreon. The crash is here. You don't have to take my word for it. Look up what the dollar is trading against other currencies. All right. Have a good day. I'll talk to you later.